In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to disable startup app programs in Windows 11 and how we can do this. So in this video, I'm gonna show you two different methods how to stop apps automatically running in the background. Sometimes it helps a lot. So to do so, what you need to do is we have to go over here in the search, type here for Task Manager, and you have to click on this. Now, once you get into the Task Manager, you can try expanding this. And over here in the left side, you can see there is a speedometer kind of an icon which says Startup Apps, and you have to click on this. Now, these are the apps which is already in my computer. And what you need to do is we have to go over here, click on the status bar over here. You have to, this is for disable. And if you click it on again, once again, you can see the Spotify, Adobe Collab Sync, and even these are some of the apps that is currently running in the background. So whenever I try to turn on my computer or PC, every single time these apps is running in the background, and that is the reason sometimes it comes up with hanging issue and all those things. So if you wanted to disable it, for example, I wanted to disable the Spotify, what I need to do is go over here, right click and go for disable, so it will be disabled over here. Now the Spotify will not be running in the background every single time when I try to open my computer. And apart from this, you can close this, and we have one more step that is all about go over here, search or type here for settings, and you have to click on the settings here. Now once you get into the settings, you have to go to the apps. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to click on the startup app, and these are the apps that is currently running in the background, and I have already disabled all the apps, only these two are left. So if you wanted to turn it off, what I need to do is just go over here and disable this over here like this, or you can just toggle it off. Now as you can see, no app is running in the background, which is one of the good practice to keep all the times. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.